Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to solve overheating during gaming issue on Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. First, let's open security app on the device and then in common features, select Game Turbo. Wait until this app launches and then tap the gear icon or gear-like icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then go to Performance section and enable Performance Optimization by switching this toggle to the right. This will make the app monitor your gaming activity and reduce your performance in order to from time to time in order to basically not let your device overheat during gaming. And that's how you solve this issue. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.